even hear one word that you say, cause I'm so lost. Tom Hanks, Castaway, ocean blue eyes, I'm captivated.
Do you remember that time that I told you I'll be here whenever?
Cause I won't forget your response when you said I should stay here forever. Now you're talking about cartoons, but you know I'm drawn to you. Yeah, love doesn't work by itself. It's like change needs two. I'm not just rapping. If I could write down every thought in my heart, yeah, I can show you that's how it happens. Got me up all night, cupcaking. Random discussions about who knows what love is. Yeah, I got ideas, but that's all just because it's from you. How you
Straight up. Show me how you do it. Anyway, look at my six pack. Right here. What about you? You see your six pack? He has a six pack. Oh. I'm trying to see your bed, girl. I wanna see you put it. What? Down to the beat. Just don't stop.
Okay, I'm getting it back. Matter of fact, I'm gonna write it on in a rap sheet. Thought she loved me, now she just a love me. I let her in, my heart was always open. Now I'm sitting here wondering how she could have stolen like a.
She put a trigger, she a red lipstick, and some hairs kinda killer. I got
stick it to you.
Oh.
She love me not, I never knew. But that's just how it goes when you fall for a heartbreaker whose heart is broken before shit. Yeah, but will she ever learn to love again? I said I got my heart stolen from a robber. There's nothing I could do, I couldn't stop her.
Oh, that's just you.
Oh.
It's a love robbery. It's a love robbery. It's a love robbery. Yeah.
You gonna try the rest of this? Do it.
It's cold. It's cold. Oh my gosh.
Chicken crossed the road. Oh my god. $5.
Go.
$5.
I don't have fucking $5.
What's the deal?
Psych.
$5.
I don't
Come
have
on,
$5.
just shake on it.
I don't have $5 here.
That's $5. Right?
I don't have $5.
And if
So.
you don't, I get you new.
Did you guys see my hand step on? Oh wait. What happened? I think you do it. So if he doesn't do it, I get $5, guys. But if he does do it, I don't. Oh. Nope. See, $5.
So we're coming back home, and this is our first vlog. Okay, that's why it's really bad. Okay, it just got worse, but.
Ready? Terrio?
There we go. Ooh, kill! Ooh, kill! Okay, anyways.
Hey, you missed the last part.
Do the last part.
Yeah, that's alright.
Anyways, that's why this is really bad. We're gonna have pranks.
It's not gonna be in there, right?
We're gonna have pranks, skate videos.
Wait, you didn't give me an answer.
We're gonna have vlogs.
Lots
number
of them.
one.
We're gonna be turned up, just having fun, skating.
Kalin and Myles all day.
Yep. Ah! Shit, my ankle. No, I'm playing.
Anyway,
I felt like I was Michael Jordan because, you know.
that's what we're gonna do.
Michael
So this
Jordan.
is probably the end of the first one.
Same thing, use the skates.
God,
Keep it on.
are you okay? Are you okay?
It didn't crack though.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna have black and blue eye now.
I didn't mean to hit you. Let me give you a hug.
I need a hug from a whale. From a whale. From a whale.
Hug. True love.
I need a whale though. Where the whales at? Woo! Alright, where the whales at?
Alright,
Catch 'em.
any big girls watching this?
Yeah.
Xavier needs that big girl.
I
That
like whales.
BBW.
Whales.
Yeah, whales. That's what they call it.
That's what we call
Oh
them.
shit. Whales. That's what he likes. So
Yeah, and I like skinny shrimps.
skinny shrimp for him. I get every other girl.
Actually, I like the things.
So, any big girls watching this, follow our Instagram, BBA all day. And
My personal one, Xavier Milan, 97 XAVIR.
Anyway.
AN 97.
alright, no one cares, but like, yeah.
And we gotta put our Twitter in the thing. Alright, right there. You know who he is?
Anyways, follow our Instagram, BBA all day. Big
Twitter.
girls, send us your pictures on the direct message. We'll post them. And that's all for Xavier. He's like 18. Hook him.
At this time next year, we gon' be the same two kids with a dream.